The subject of this video today is the square knot. Hi, Steve again. To tie this knot, where normally we have one working end and a standing end, for this knot we're going to have two working ends to tie it. A left working end and a right working end. If I take the right working end and put it over top of the left working end and then tuck it underneath, just like I was starting a granny knot, that would be the first part of this knot. Then I reverse the process. Before we went right over left. Now we are going to go left over right. Tuck it under, dress the knot, and that is your square knot. It actually looks like two pieces of loops that have been placed together. Let's tie it again very quickly to just see it twice. Right over left, left over right, square knot. Applications for a square knot would be tying packages, tying bundles of 6 together, anything other than a 70-knot wind flying down the highway. This knot would be useful for securing. Thank you very much.